Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Did you see what you just did? You pulled a U-turn right in front of me. Holy shit, learn to drive. You dipshit.
With an automatic launch mechanism. You die. You are threatened. And my account numbers are handed over into my hands. You die. You are threatened. And my account numbers are handed over into my enemies. A clock ticked somewhere outside the room. I wouldn't do that. I would, although insanity. Naimanov didn't feel much better about it.
Must be 21 or over to play a gambling problem. Call 1-800-9-WITH-IT. Playable only in Indiana.
Dude. Wait. AVS 997. Pull over. Dude. Pull over. I've just been involved in a hit and run. I'm westbound on Emerson. Oh, I'm sorry, southbound. The vehicle just pulled into this Sam's Club. He improperly merged. He hit my right front fender. He's on Emerson Avenue, right before Sam's Club. We were headed southbound. We're pulled into the parking lot right now. They have a light blue Mitsubishi Mirage. I'm in a red Ford Explorer. No. I think it's like he's getting ready to pull over right now. Okay.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
money on daycare. That is a job and a half. So that all of that aside, that gives you flexibility. That saves you money on daycare. That is a job and a half. So that all of that aside.
Sweet about it. What the? 1990. What the? What the? You like my ass? You like friends? I need that.
No!